Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download Instagram videos and Reels. The Instagram itself doesn't allow direct downloads of other people's video or Reels, but you can save them in two ways. First, you can save inside Instagram. Open the reel or video that you like and then here tap the three dots at the bottom right and select save. And this saves the inside Instagram under your save folder, not your gallery. Or the method 2 is to download to gallery. Some reels now have a download option. You can tap the three dots on the reel, and if you see download, tap it, and the video will be saved to your phone's gallery with creator's watermark. And if you want the full videos without watermark, use a safe online downloader tools or app. Just copy the link of the reel and paste it into the downloader and save it to your device. And reminder, always respect creators' content and only download for personal use. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.